Hi all, welcome back to my channel pyspark Pulse. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate on a very basic ETL project which I was planning once I got 1000 subscribers. So this is the architecture of that project. I have utilized Databricks and Snowflake. Both are free versions. The Databricks is a community edition and Snowflake is a free trial account, right? So this is the architecture. DBFS storage. Here I have ingested kept some of the CSV files, which are the source files, and Databricks Notebook for the ingestion and transformation purpose, and Snowflake as a data warehouse. So this you can also consider as mounting on the top of Azure or AWS Gen 2. So firstly, I thought of including Azure, but it should be a good full-fledged project if you are utilizing Azure services. But it might take a long time. But definitely, I will be bringing up that project. But for now. This is the iteration 0 of this project. In the upcoming video, I will be explaining how we can implement the CD type 2 in this. So let's start. So this is our code for the project. So basically I have used six CSV files, which is kept in the location. I will show you in the below. Okay. So here I'm importing already, Spark session is created in Databricks, so we don't need to create that. So we are first creating the schema. For that, we are importing the types which will be used for the creation of the schema. So this is a transaction schema. This is the columns and this is the types which this CSV file consists of. Then customer schema, then we have product schema, then we have store schema, and then we have promotion schema and inventory schema as well. So we have basically six tables. This you can see, and you can pause the video and you can read the schema how I have created. Hopefully you know that. I will also ping the link to the video how we create the schema and all that, so you can go through that. Now this is the path of my file, DBFS file, so project demo, source, transaction demo, or CSV. I can show you in catalog. Then DBFS file store, then project demo dot source. Here I've kept all the six files in the CSV format. So let us run this code. My cluster is up and running already. So let me run this code. Also, let me run this CSV files so that it got loaded. And also let me create the temporary tables on top of this data frame, which I have used to, create the SQL tables, like, right? So this is already created. Now this is sales summary TF. This is one of the table which I have included in Snowflake as our target. So what I have done, I have used the store ID, product ID, transaction date, sum of the T quantity and total quantity sold, purchase amount as total sales amount from transaction table, and I have joined in the inventory table to get the store ID. So this will basically gives us the sales summary, like what with the store ID, which product was sold, what was the transaction date, how many quantity, what was the purchase amount. So this is the first thing, first table, right? Or I'm not going in very detail because I just want to demonstrate the ETL part of it, right? Because I will be also giving this notebook URL so that you can go through this and you can practice it on your own. So as you can see, this table is getting loaded properly. This is our second table, right? I have also written in the disk also, so that you can see in the parquet also you can write. Yeah, so this ran successfully and our code is also written in the back to the catalog. You can see, we just show you DBFS and what is the path? I think inventory status dot parquet. Yeah, so it got written here. Right, I should be given inventory status only. By mistake I got given dot parquet. That is not an issue, but you can see this part file is loaded here, right? It is created. This is our third table, inventory status GF. So this I have created by joining a product inventory table and a products table. So this will basically gives us how many products are still left in the stock, and all this kind of information we can get. So let me run this also. And here you can see how we need to provide the snowflake credential actually. So this is the same format which you should also be using. Like first is the URL. This you will be getting once you create the snowflake account, trial account. You will be getting whatever mail you use. In the mail, the URL will be mentioned, right? Otherwise, I can also show you how to get the URL out of it. Let's go to Snowflake, then you can go to this admin tab, then you can go to accounts, right? And you can like hover over your account and click on I button. Then this will give you the URL, how to get log into this account. Basically, we'll be needing after HTTPS, right? So you can see this is our URL. Okay, then this is our username, then the password. I've hidden my password and I've already ran my command some time ago. Then this is our database name, which is our target on which database we want to load the project. So you can see this is our database, Databricks project, and this is your target schema, right? Then this is our warehouse. This is a default warehouse for Snowflake. We can create our own warehouse also. No, not an issue, but yeah. Then this is our, what to say, a function which I have created, to write tables. So yeah, let's start. This is our, function. Let's see, try, like I'm just trying so that, I have put it in the try and accept block, because if any error is here, for example, connection is not established properly or some of the other issues came, right? So for that, I have just, kept in this small try except block. You can also do the same. Let me run this. Already I have ran this option before putting my correct password, so this will run perfectly fine. So you can see there are, I will show you also, why I put this in correct trial accept block. Let me put this here, right? So see, let me run this, but this will be giving an error. Attribute error, str object has no attribute, right, because it was expecting a data frame and what I provided as a string. So this is this mistake I did actually. That's why I wanted to show you all. Now I corrected it, and this is the corrected version. So this will be returning true, or what, it won't return anything, just return true. Yeah, because it is successful, right? The writing to the data frame, actually in the Snowflake, it is successful. Then this is our other two tables. See, the output is true. Let's, okay, I have already written, but let us see the other two tables, they are empty or not, right? So first let us see inventory status, it is already written. So let us see select star from inventory status, right? I think this is already written. So let us see the data is written or not. So yeah, data is written perfectly. But let us see the sales summary table, right? Before that I also truncated, but I have not yet, written anything. So let us see sales summary table. You can see nothing is there, no rows of input is there. Now let me run this. So let me run this alone, sales summary only. So yeah, it is writing, and hopefully it will not throw any error. Yeah, output is true, and let us do the select star, and let us see the output. So you can see the data is loaded perfectly. So similarly, when we'll be running this customer sales insight, let's just see that also. Customer sales insight, let me copy the table name from here only, and I will just see the select star, whether anything is there or not. Right. Okay. It is running from starting. Let me take this only. Nothing. Right. See, nothing is there. Now let me run this, and you can see the data will be loaded. Yeah, data is loaded. Let me run this again. Yeah, data is loaded. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. And in the upcoming videos, I will be demonstrating how we can perform the CD2 part, right? And also I will try to include more, dimension tables, dim and fact tables, basically data modeling I will try to do. So yeah, stay tuned and do subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, hit like button, hit hit like, thumbs up, and also let me know what kind of content you want from me. Let me know in the comment, and you can share with your friends. Thank you.